In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Confluence page. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening the editor, setting up the essentials, and publishing a clean, informative page your team can use right away. Start by heading to your Confluence workspace and signing in. From the top navigation, select Create. This opens the editor in a new page so you can work without affecting anything that's already live. If you don't see the Create button, you might not have permission in that space, so check with your site admin. When prompted, choose Page. This gives you a standard blank canvas inside the current space. At the top of the editor, type your page title. Keep it short and descriptive because Confluence uses the title for search, navigation, and the page URL. Think of it as the headline someone would scan to decide if they should click. To add a bit of personality and make the page easier to spot, open the emoji picker and choose an icon. This small visual cue appears alongside the title in some views and helps readers quickly identify the topic. Pick something that complements the content rather than distracts from it. Next, insert a status. This is the colored label that shows readers the current state of the page, like draft, in progress, or done. It's especially helpful for work in progress documentation and team playbooks. You can adjust the text and color to match your workflow so people instantly know what they're looking at and how stable the information is. Now, add a header image. The header sits behind your title and sets the tone of the page. Click the header area to open the selection panel. Choose an image from the available gallery or upload one that fits your brand guidelines. Aim for something high contrast and not too busy so your title remains readable. You can reposition or crop as needed to get the focal point just right. With your title, emoji, status, and header image in place, you're ready to publish. Click Publish in the top right corner. Publishing saves your changes and makes the page visible to others who have access to the space. If you still need to refine the content later, no problem. Pages can be updated at any time, and Confluence keeps a version history so you can track edits. That's it. You went from a blank canvas to a polished page complete with a clear title, a helpful status label, a memorable emoji, and a professional header image, all ready for your team to use.